Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after breaking out a quite big falling wedge pattern, Bonfida was stuck inside in another up channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of my previous videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that once again the price line has reached the resistance of this up channel. And this is the second week that it is trying to break out the resistance. And slightly above this resistance of the channel, we also have this quite long-term resistance of 60 cents that had been previously working as a very strong resistance here, and for so many weeks it has been working as a resistance here as well. And here we have a key support that starts from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. You can see that recently when the price end was rejected by this resistance of the channel, the price end tested this level as a support and geared up. And if the price end will be once again rejected, then again, this level can work as a nice support. And at the same time, we also will have the support of this up channel as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you that how Bonfida is trying to break out this quite long-term and very, very huge and big and strong resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared on 13th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bonfida formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 87%, very, very massive pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern in the same month of December, on 3rd of December 2023. And that was also formed with the US dollar pair, but this time it was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone. First hit again entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice pump. And this was almost 39% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bonfida, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of November 2021, it was moving inside this wedge when we found the resistance here. And by the way, we found the support here after this huge drop in the month of June 2022. And during this move to the downside, the price then broke down a very, very significant support zone that starts from 35 cents and goes to 28 cents. Previously, this level has been working as a support zone here. And here for several weeks, it has been working as a support zone. And here is the support here as a support here. We had a fake out to the downside, but the price and recovered back very soon after testing the support of this big falling wedge pattern. And finally, in the month of May 2023, we broke it down. And since then, you can see it was flipped into a very strong resistance. And we got several ejections here. And now, after breaking out this wedge pattern, finally, the price line has also broken out this very strong resistance zone that starts from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. And after breaking it out, the price line retested the previous resistance zone as a support and geared up. And now it is again reached the resistance of this up channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few days, the price line is again and again trying to break out the resistance. But so far, it is not able to break it out. And almost at the same level, slightly above the resistance of the channel, we also have this quite long-term resistance of 60 cents that has been previously working as a very strong resistance for several weeks, a month here, and for a few weeks here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for Bonfida. And at the same time, you can see that the price line of Bonfida is completely entered inside this very, very huge Ichimoku bearish cloud. Previously, it was rejected by this resistance of bearish cloud. And now it has crossed up this center of the Ichimoku bearish cloud and as soon as it will break out the resistance of this up channel and this quite long-term resistance of 60 cents, then I'm expecting that soon it will also break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that the cloud is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, now there is a quite high probability for the breakout from this bearish cloud. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this up channel will be here. If it will break it out from here, then target can be here. That will be approximately at $1.26. And after that, I'm expecting that soon it may also try to break out this next long-term resistance of $1.55. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.